Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting a robust truck with a strong winch and lock diffs. That gives traction when pulling heavy rolls. Next, attach a trailer or prepare a flatbed and confirm you have anchor points and spare fuel, because trips are long. Drive directly to the quarry marker, scouting the route on your map. Avoid deep mud and steep slopes. Once you arrive, park near the spawn area, lower speed, and scan the perimeter for glinting metal rolls before attempting recovery. You now focus on securing each roll correctly, because a loose load will shift and wreck progress. Approach in low gear with the winch ready, then anchor to a tree or rock for stability. Maneuver the winch cable or forks under the roll, lift just enough to center it on the trailer, and adjust position until balanced. Next, attach chains or straps at 2 or more points, tighten and test by moving forward slowly. If it holds, you're ready to transport without sudden swings or falls. You finish by transporting the rolls carefully because delivery is the goal. Pick the safest route. Longer but firmer roads save time versus getting stuck. Engage diff locks and keep speed low. Periodically stop to recheck straps every 500 to 1,000 meters and correct any sway immediately. Upon arrival, use the winch and ramps to offload, guiding the roll gently. If it slides or falls, anchor from another point. Recover with coordinated pulls, rebalance, and retry. This prevents repeated losses and mission failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.